Zoisha.
Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Zoisha, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a long weekend and it's Saturday. It's Caravana Saturday. It's Carabiner. What a dirty gal gone, go sit down, mirated. Anyways, we just got off of the bus. Oh my god, look at the boat, Tiffany. That's so cute. The tiki taxi. What? Look at it. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, take me on it. Oh my god. So cute. So we literally just came off the bus and we've seen this beautiful scenery, which we've never seen, I mean, like never taken in before.
Well, we've never been down here before.
We've never come to this part of Zone before. As I was saying, it's Caravana today. We did not go to the parade. I don't really participate in Caravana. It's not the same like how it was before. So, yeah, to each their own, whoever wins. Yeah.
It's safe, we can have fun.
Yeah, exactly. And all of that good stuff. And yeah, but there is some like reggae festival or something that's supposed to be going on down here. Something, yeah. And Aitana is supposed to be performing. So I was like, yo, let's go. It's free. Let's go. We have to make use of our summers because we don't have the summer for a very long time.
Girl, it's done.
Yeah, exactly. And it just started like last week
fall.
and it's done. So
It's fall.
yeah. So once Caravana comes, like that's it. It's cold. Like
Call it say it's fall.
everything
right
is done. Like it's back to school time. Yeah, summer done. So yeah, we're just taking advantage of the little time that we have, and we're working. So we only really have, well, shockingly, I have like weekends available because I've been just literally like busy to the course. But anyways, yeah, that's the motive for now. So come back when something else, interesting and less thing happens. Okay, bye. Everything turns into a photo shoot, like water. She's taking pictures of water. It's a duck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at the duck!
You're so
Oh,
Hey, look, that green thing over there, look, I think it could have been the Statue of Liberty this so.
so we found it finally. Oh my gosh, but it's so packed. You see what freeness does? When I'm thinking everybody's gonna be at I want a beaver tail, Tiffany. I really do want one. Fuck, I don't have no change. Huh? I'm thinking everybody's gonna be at Caravana. The anxiety. Woo. My girl. Ada bomba. Deixa eu finir. Look at all the people. Oh my god. Hey, hey. Tiffany carry me come a concerts, date night. You hold this one. Let me hold it. Oh fuck. Okay, come down, Jesus. Me forget to me dip on the bridge still. Oh my god, my anxiety shall come back. Soon come. People were reach. Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes. I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Mama Africa.
Like my love.
What? Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? I'm hoping you hear these words. You're oh God!
Because I'm just a lover, not a fighter.
Aww.
And I respect your daddy, you know why? Because your daddy and your mommy came together and made two beautiful girls like
Oh
you.
God.
You know what I'm saying? I hope you keep in focus in school. Because education is the key. Alright? Go to college, alright? Keep in focus.
And get
Can you
nowhere.
say something to your mom again? There's so much I tell.
Oi. Oi. I want him to sing to me to take me look how we should have come early. We could have gone on stage and pigs. Don't be shy. We could have find a good husband now. You guys, I got a beaver tail. I've always wanted to try one. Can you give me some flash? Ooh, yes, I got a banana rammer beaver tail. A beaver tail is some fried shit with some toppings. Some other shit. And whatever, I've always wanted to try it. It looks like literally a beaver tail. It's a Canadian thing, you know what I'm saying? So it's a Canadian thing. You know, you got to come to Canada and try the Canadian things. Yeah. Anyways, we're walking back to the stage now. We're going to go see Aitana. I'm excited.
Cartel.
Grammy nominated.
Oh, I thought she was going to say new artist.
She is Jamaican. Her style is a fusion of soul, folk, jazz, and reggae. In Swahili, the word means the strong one. I'm talking about Itana. I don't know if you're a fan like I'm a fan. You see, she did a song called Wrong Address, and that stirred me to my core. And then she came with songs like I Rise, There'll Be a Better Tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Thank you.